In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Wise, a fast and efficient way to transfer funds internationally. To kick things off, let's dive into the process step by step so you can confidently navigate your first transfer. First, one of the things that makes Wise stand out is its ability to send exactly the amount you need. Unlike some other services, Wise provides clarity on the exact amount that will be received on the other end, minimizing those pesky surprises around currency conversion. Speaking of currency, Wise gives you the flexibility to change the currency if you need to. This is incredibly useful when you're dealing with multiple currencies or sending money to a country that uses a different one from yours. So be sure to select the correct currency for your recipient before moving on. Next, let's talk about banks. If you're looking to change the bank from which the funds are being transferred, Wise makes it simple. By heading to the bank section, you can choose from different banks associated with your account, ensuring that you are using the one best suited for this transaction. Now, Wise also offers a handy feature to compare fees. This transparency is part of what makes Wise such a user-friendly platform. Before you send your money, take a moment to review the fees associated with your transaction. This way, you can be certain you're getting the best possible rate. Once you're satisfied with the currency and bank choices, it's time to hit the Send Money button to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. If you prefer, there's also an option to connect using your Gmail account. This little shortcut can make the process even quicker if you're already logged into Google services. After entering the preferred contact information, it's time to choose the type of account you are using. Whether it's a personal account or a business account, selecting the right one is key to ensuring your transfer is processed smoothly. Following this selection, you need to indicate your country of residence. This information helps Wise tailor the process to meet any regional regulations and requirements, so it's crucial to get this right. Moving forward, click Continue. You'll need to hit Continue once more to proceed to the verification step. Here, you'll enter your phone number. Wise will send you a verification code, so keep your phone handy. Upon receiving the code, enter it promptly. It's a quick and important step for securing your account. After successfully confirming your phone number, it's time to set your password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. With that, you're all set. You've just completed a money transfer using Wise. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily send money through Wise with confidence. Don't forget to check your email for any final confirmations of your transaction, as Wise will keep you updated every step of the way. Happy transferring!